Hi, my name is Matthew Diable and I am an 1851 Industrial Fellow working alongside Scott Barder, Polymer Mimetics and the University of Liverpool. My PhD is focused on the development of new, sustainable, high-performance polymers or plastics for the next generation of 3D printing resins. 3D printing has disrupted traditional manufacturing techniques due to its unprecedented design freedom, mass customization capabilities, and significant waste reduction. However, inadequate material properties have somewhat limited the exponential growth. My PhD research has focused on the development of a novel polymer platform for the next generation of 3D printing resins or inks that have improved performance and safety. They have low toxicity, low viscosity, and are highly reactive. Through use of the patented polymer platform that was developed at the University of Liverpool, I have been able to create a vast range of highly valuable branched polymeric materials that ultimately lead to 3D printed products that have improved performance properties, such as increased durability, which can provide benefits within engineering applications, but also reduced toxic residues, which can provide benefits in biomedicine, dentistry, and consumer goods sectors. So of course, completing a PhD whilst continuing to work in industry has been challenging. The support of the 1851 Royal Commission has been invaluable throughout the process, which has ultimately accelerated my PhD studies, but also the industrial output of my PhD studies. A new range of polymeric materials should enable new industries and applications to fully benefit from the unique advantages that this pioneering manufacturing technique can offer. The funding that the Commission provides for travel has enabled me to attend and present at a range of international conferences, industry events, and even prestigious Commission events. Not only has this increased the research impact, but it's also allowed me to experience a vast range of things beyond my immediate PhD research that I will never forget.